Hello everyone, and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Pavoni espresso machine. Now for this machine we did a bit of work. We had to remove the entire whole group head, replace all the little gaskets that you see right here. These gaskets are from different parts of the machine. We got the group head, the piston rod, we got the washers for the piston itself, we got the gaskets of the side glass, we have the side glass itself, and we also have the side glass cover. So yeah, we did a bunch of work with this machine. We replaced all the little gaskets, we made sure that everything was very well secure and that there are no leaks on this machine as well. The temperature of this machine is perfect. It's between 0.5 and 1, which is great. Excellent steam coming out of the one, something great. And excellent flow coming out of the spouts. Exactly 1 ounce, which is perfect. Great shot of espresso. Really good crema, excellent color, and perfect quantity. So there you have it, Pavoni Euro Piccola working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like, hit that bell, and thanks for watching.